Nigerian food. Nigerian cuisine is a vibrant and diverse culinary tapestry that reflects the country's rich cultural heritage and its geographical diversity. The cuisine encompasses a wide array of flavors, ingredients, and cooking techniques. Influenced by various ethnic groups within Nigeria and the country's historical connections to other regions of Africa and beyond. Staple foods. Nigerian cuisine is centered around staple foods such as yam, cassava, rice, and plantains. These ingredients form the foundation of many traditional dishes and are often accompanied by flavorful soups, stews, or sauces. Soups and stews. Nigerian soups and stews are a cornerstone of the cuisine. Some popular examples include Egusi Soup, made with ground melon seeds and typically cooked with vegetables and meat or fish; Ogbono Soup, a thick soup made from ground Ogbono seeds; and Okra Soup, featuring the mucilaginous okra vegetable cooked with a variety of ingredients. Jollof rice. Jollof rice is a beloved Nigerian dish that has gained international recognition. It is a one-pot rice dish cooked with tomatoes, onions, peppers, and a blend of spices, giving it a distinctive red color. Jollof rice is often enjoyed with grilled or fried meat, chicken, or fish. Suya. Suya is a popular Nigerian street food and a delicious example of Nigerian grilled skewered meat. Typically made with beef, chicken, or goat, the meat is marinated in a mixture of ground peanuts, spices, and chili peppers, then grilled over an open flame. Suya is often served with sliced onions and spicy peanut sauce. Pepper soup. Pepper soup is a spicy and aromatic soup commonly enjoyed in Nigeria. It can be made with various meats such as goat, chicken, or fish, and is flavored with a blend of spices, including chili peppers, ginger, garlic, and aromatic herbs. Pepper soup is known for its warming properties and is often consumed as a remedy for colds or as a comforting dish. Snacks and street food. Nigeria has a vibrant street food culture, offering a range of snacks and quick bites. These include akara, puff puff, chin chin, and suya mentioned earlier. These snacks are often enjoyed with refreshing drinks like zobo or kunu. Desserts. Nigerian desserts feature a variety of flavors and textures. Some popular options include chin chin, coconut candy, coconut rice pudding, and a variety of sweet fritters made with ingredients like plantains or bananas. Nigerian cuisine is known for its bold and robust flavors, with an emphasis on aromatic spices, chili peppers, and rich sauces. It reflects the country's diverse cultural heritage, offering a delightful blend of indigenous ingredients, regional specialties, and influences from neighboring African countries and beyond. Exploring Nigerian cuisine is a journey of tantalizing tastes and culinary delights.
Hi guys, make sure to check out my website Utopia, where I'm selling Korean learning guides where you can learn how to write Hangul, which is the Korean letters. So if you are trying to learn how to write in Korean or even learn how to read and write Korean, this is the perfect tools for you. I have sheets that you can write the letters and practice on. I will have my website in the description. Thanks guys.